Today we're looking at the 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring. This one is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we have a lovely leather interior, heated seats on both sides, as well as our power adjustable seat settings here at the bottom left. If we look up, we do have our leather steering wheel, as well as our screens here. This one being a touchscreen, and this one up here as well. It comes with our built-in navigation, as well as aux capabilities. Down here we do have 2 cup holders to go alongside our middle console storage. Heading on to our driver's side door, you'll see we do have our automatic power windows, as well as our power locks, our adjustable side mirrors. Up here you'll find our seat settings, of course our door settings, park assist, and if we look down you'll find our gas tank opener. We move over to the steering wheel, you'll see our cruise control settings, as well as on the left hand side you'll find our volume controls to go alongside our voice recognition. Over in the middle console you'll find our shifter, our push to start ignition, dual climate control zones, and our volume controls over here. At the bottom you'll find our USB charge port, a power outlet, aux. Of course we have our storage bin down here, and our DVD player in the middle. If we look up, you'll find our universal home garage opener alongside our power settings for our sunroof. Moving on to the back, we do have our automatic power doors. Once these open up, you'll see we still have our lovely leather interior, 3 seats in the middle. Behind each front seat, we do have these cubbies for extra storage. You can see the door controls here. You can also control it from the handle in here. These seats are retractable. They also come with these adjustable armrests. If we look up, you'll see our screen for our DVD player with all of our settings up top. This middle seat can turn into a cup holder when needed. Push this lever down, and it turns into a cup holder. 3 cup holders, some extra storage. If we look back, we also have 3 seats in the back, alongside our controls for our DVD player, as well as an AC outlet. We do have some sunshades here as well. Pop these up. And if we make our way to the back, we have cup holders on each side to go along with our sunshades. Checking out the exterior here on our Odyssey, we do have our chrome Honda logo in the middle. Moving along to the tires and rims, we do have 18-inch rims on our Road X tires. Our adjustable side mirrors with the blinkers integrated on the side. Chrome accents along all the windows of the vehicle, as well as our handles here. You also see our keyless entry. Small tint in the back window. Moving along to the back, we do have our power tailgate. You can access it with the keys here or as well on the back. Inside, you'll see we have plenty of storage. We have our magic stow steeds. Pull these down, and you can stow away for even more storage on both sides. And that is our 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help you with any questions you may have.